Hey, it's Colby Raye. Welcome back to my channel. Since I started my makeup account on Instagram, I've always been getting questions about my skin and my skincare routine. And even before that, my friends and my family have always asked about how I keep my skin so clear. So today, I finally decided to film my skincare routine. I'm gonna walk you through all the steps and all the products that I use to keep my skin how it is. I should say first, I've never really had acne. I get zits here and there and blackheads, but that's really it. But I know that these products that I use are also great for acne prone skin. These products are what work best for me, and I am a dry skinned, very pale girl. Either way, I hope you enjoy this video and get to take something out of it. If you enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That would make me really happy, and hit subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And if you like this makeup look, I actually just posted a video about it on my makeup Instagram down in the description below. With all that out the way, let's get to the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna get my hair into my face with this headband. First I'm gonna start with the Tatcha One Step Cleansing Oil, and I'm just gonna take this and drip it all over my face. Oh, I have contacts. And if you have contacts and use cleansing oil, you know that when cleansing oil gets in your eyes and you have contacts in, it hurts. Trust me, I've been there. I just tried to take this lash off, but it's kind of attached to some of my lashes. So I'm just gonna wait until the oil gets to my eyes to take my lashes off. Now we're just gonna massage our face. Ooh, this is an Instagram moment. Now I'm going in with the Pure Skin Face Cleanser from First Aid Beauty. I'm going to take this just on dry hands. Now I'm going to take my coarse washcloth and dip it in some water. And now what we're doing is we're just taking the washcloth and just rubbing. I feel like a lot of people expected my skincare routine to be a lot more graceful than it actually is, but that's okay. I'm really just struggling with this part because I usually do this in the shower. Like I put the oil on and I rub it around, then I wash my face in the shower.
As you can tell, we're not in the shower.
Now I'm just patting my face dry with a towel. Now I'm gonna go in with the Valgene Labs Hydrate Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin B5 Facial Serum and drip it all over my face. Now I'm just using my clean hands to rub it in. Okay, and you'll feel this stuff kind of tighten your face, almost like a toner, and that will suck moisture out. So we need to quickly moisturize with a moisturizer, my favorite being the Tatcha Water Cream. I'm just going to take the tiniest bit of this. I'm going to be using the NYX Honeydew Me Up Skin Serum and Primer. This is a great primer. I just had it under the look I just had on, but it's also a great serum. I always put this on at night before I go to sleep. I'm just going to scoop some up on the spatula that it comes with and put this one all over my face. Just gonna massage this in. Now while we let that settle into our skin a little bit, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Brow Conditioning Primer. Ever since I've started using this product, my brows have grown and grown like crazy. So I just pump up a little bit of the product and brush it through my brows. We're almost through, I promise. But next we're going to take the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. If you watched my last video, you know that this is my absolute favorite moisturizer. And if you haven't watched that video, go click on the info card. But at nighttime, I like to put a lot of this on my face and really just let it soak overnight. I'm just gonna massage this in on top of everything else. We're looking very hydrated. Also, I didn't do it in this video because I've been recently changing my routine up, but I love the Milk Makeup Matcha Toner. It is absolutely amazing, and it really helps to tighten the skin on your face and improve the elasticity of it. But I'm almost out, so I've had to kind of improvise with different products in my routine. Finally, we're on the last step. I'm just going to take the Mario Badescu Green Tea Facial Mist and just spray all over. That's my favorite part. Thank you for watching this video and sitting through my very complicated skincare routine. These are just all my little steps that I do to get my glass skin, as some people would call it. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a like, subscribe, comment. I don't care, do what you want. But if you want to see anything else from me, leave some suggestions down below. Be sure to follow me on all my social medias, which will also be linked in my description box. See you next time. Bye.